Hi there, it's Manal from miniscraftboutique. Thank you for watching my tutorial today. Today I'm going to show you a very beautiful and very interactive corner bookmark for kids. It's very easy, and this can inculcate a interest, or you can say a behavior of reading in little children who are just not wanting to read or who are avoiding the habit of reading. So you can add such cute bookmarks in their books, and they might get interested in reading them. So for this project you are going to need a piece of square paper. Make sure that it's not very thick. It must be a lightweight cardstock. So and any size would do for it. I am taking 8 by 8. You can take 7 by 7 or 6 by 6 according to your choice. So you're going to put it like this, and you're going to fold it diagonally like this. Make sure that the corners or edges meet together really well, and then just fold it. The creases must be very good. You're going to take this up and take this corner and join it with this one. Like so, and do the same on the other side as well. Just carefully lift it up and make both the corners join like this, and give it a good crease. Now open these two back, and this corner is going to be folded back and in the middle like this. And afterwards, these two folded triangles, you're just going to, this has created a pocket, okay? So you're going to take this flap, you're going to just bring it over and fold it inwards like so. And do the same thing on the other side as well. Make sure that it is perfect on the inside as well. Like this. And your bookmark is ready. If I show you, so if this is the page of your book, you're going to just place it like this, okay? So further, to decorate it, I would rather keep it simple, but you can create any shape. You can create monsters, you can create cartoon characters, anything that your child prefers or you prefer having. So I would be going with a rather mature pattern paper for its decoration, and this is the square that measures 4 by 4 inches. So you'll be needing a square that measures 3 3/4 by 3 3/4. So let me just come back after cutting this pattern paper. So I've cut this paper, and now I'm just going to just place it inside like this. Make sure that you get all the 3 borders or edges equal when you are pasting this paper inside. Like this. And just give it a nice press. like this. Okay, so for the top, whatever you wish you can add. I think I'm going to add the same pattern paper here, and then it's going to be done. So I've gone ahead and I cut another square of 3 and 3 3/4 by 3 3/4, and then I just cut it diagonally, and after cutting it diagonally I've just cut out 2 squares from the paper. Okay, so I'm going to paste these over here like this. Like so. And whatever you wish, I will add more pictures on my blog and when editing this video, so that you have a clear idea of how you can make faces of animals or different characters, just to increase the variety of bookmarks you can. Okay, so this was all for today. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.